Hi everyone! In this video, we will classify different types of real numbers. Classify the number as a whole number, integer, rational number, irrational number, and/or real number. Our number is -56. Before we classify it, let's review the real number system. Here is a diagram of the real number system, starting with how they were developed as counting numbers, 1, 2, and 3, for basic keeping track of trade and different things. And it took quite a few years to develop the number 0, the something that represents nothing. Then years went by and developed into adding to our original counting and whole numbers were the negative numbers or the integers. And again, we include all of the numbers prior. Then we developed further into rational numbers, which are numbers that can be written as a fraction. These include all of the integers, whole numbers, and counting numbers by taking a whole number such as 2 or an integer, -2, and dividing it by a 1, which makes it a fraction, but it keeps the value. A fraction can also be a finite decimal, or a decimal that terminates, such as 0.5, which is the fraction 1/2. Or we can have an infinite repeating decimal, such as the number 0.3, and the ellipsis at the end indicates that the 3 continues on forever, or is repeating, or we can put a line over it. The infinite repeating portion can be a single digit or several digits that are repeating, and these are the fraction 1/3. The last to be developed were numbers that didn't fit into any of these, that cannot be written as a fraction. So these are non-repeating infinite decimals. And all of these fall within the real number system. Our number is the -56. It's not found in the counting numbers. It's also not found in the whole numbers, but it is found in the integers. It is a negative number in this side. And because it's now in the integers, it also falls within all of the number types above that. So it's integers, rational, and real. Integer, rational, and real number. So it falls into 3 of these categories. And now that we have classified our number, we're all done.